The clip-in partition is a system developed and patented by GLASSOLUTIONS to assemble glass panes edge to edge. The clip-in system consists of installing sectionals and then assembling two grooved panes with an extruded silicon joint. Before beginning the installation itself, an anti-vibration joint is installed under the sectionals and the protective EPDM seals are placed inside the sectional. The verticality of the whole assembly is checked to know how to proceed. If the angle is 90 degrees, begin by installing the top sectional first. Otherwise, begin with the shorter sectional. When installing the sectionals, the flatness of the lower stringer must be checked carefully to facilitate the pores. Then, insert the silicon seal in the slot of the first pane. This silicon seal has a very special shape, and it is important to insert the correct side of it into the first pane so that the second can then be installed. An installation knob is used to make the clip-in joint easier to install. Shims are then installed on the sectionals to hold the glass firmly. The glass can now be put in place. It can be picked up with suction cups, or, for larger volumes, with handling tools. Then it is installed vertically against the sectionals. Temporary shims are installed to hold the glass in full safety. By tapping lightly on the pickup suction cup, the second pane is slid in the direction of the first to bring them closer together. A dual suction cup is then used to fit the two panes together. Once the last pane is installed, remove the shims from the top of the first pane to install the tightening cover, then install the temporary shims again. Proceed the same way for the lower and vertical parts. Then remove the shims once and for all to install the EPDM joint. The clip-in partition is installed. To install doors on the clip-in partitions, it is important that the joints be installed well to provide tightness and increase the acoustic attenuation. For doors, use T-sectionals. Installing a clip-in partition is fast and easy. A clip-in partition has a number of advantages over traditional partitions. Aesthetically, especially by the thinness of the joint and by the addition of colour using a decorative film integrated in the glass, for example. The clip-in partition also allows a lot of natural light to pass through. It facilitates contact between people and offers good acoustic performance of up to 47 decibels. The clip-in product meets European safety and acoustic standards, the European repository of ETAG 003 partitions, and is certified under EN 12600. The thin partition of the clip-in system saves space. The clip-in partition does not require the use of glue on the worksite and saves time with its easy assembly. The clip-in partition from GLASSOLUTIONS, an easy and efficient solution for quality indoor furnishings.